We're on the North York moors with Doug Barningham, whose farm got badly hit by the floods last July and then again just a few weeks ago.
So Doug, are you having to really eke out your straw supplies now, or how are you set for straw?
Straw, yeah, we're not too bad for straw. We didn't actually have any straw kind of destroyed in the floods because we had to come onto farm, so we've kind of sourced that after the floods.
Yeah.
But it was the silage that we lost. We just finished making the silage through the month of July and stacked it in the usual place, and then we lost roughly 300 bales.
Oh dear.
That the water just took them away. It was like bobbing apples, just kind of going down the river.
Yeah.
And what wasn't taken was kind of badly damaged, ripped on wire and as it came down the river.
So that was a complete write-off?
That was a complete write-off. So we lost about 300 bales of silage. And we've been really lucky because Forage Aid have been very helpful in sourcing silage for us. But, and also, they also find the hauliers to bring it up into this area, which is obviously a major thing for us.
Yes.
With us being so remote.
Yeah.
So yes, we've nearly got all the silage we need now. We've just got the last load or two to come.
Yeah.
And hopefully that's now going to see us through through the winter.
And how much of it has been replaced by Forage Aid then?
Forage Aid have replaced us probably over 200 bales.
Really? Yeah.
Yes.
And so would you 300 have been provided you with a few extra? Or?
300, we did have a lot more silage than previous years.
Yeah.
So we did have extra, and we're thinking now that about the 200 bales that Forage Aid have provided should just about see us through.
Yeah, good. And there's no cost to you for that?
No cost at all.
Yeah,
no.
good.
And they Forage Aid were also very good in the removal of the bad silage, because obviously it was kind of contaminated and the plastic was ripped and such.
Yeah.
And there was an anaerobic digester plant at Sedbergh, and they took all that.
Yeah. And so, I think you would.
And Forage Aid managed to get JCB to provide 2 fast tracks, and we also got some trailers from Reeth Farm Services, and they also paid for for a couple of lads to kind of go and do the leading as well.
Yeah, good. And did they? If you'd had to get rid of the bales yourself, would that have been a waste charge then?
Yes.
Yeah, so that would have been another cost on top.
Huge cost,
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Doug lost 120 sheep in the floods last July.
And they kind of got marooned on an island, and by next morning we were kind of that number short out of a heap of about 200.
That must have been just
It was
awful.
very, very hard. It was kind of one of the hardest things that we've had to
I bet.
kind of put up with, and also kind of retrieving the dead ones that have kind of been found from here right down to kind of Fremington, which is kind of 4 or 5 miles away.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. What a job. And did you have disposal costs for the carcasses as well then?
We did, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And can you get any cover or insurance or help with that?
We didn't get any cover on the dead stock, no.
No. And today the road builders have turned up to remake the road leading past the farm, which got pretty much washed away in the floods last July. It's not great timing because Mr. Barningham's expecting a feed delivery today, and of course the delivery of the haulage from Forage Aid. Because the road crew's still busy on the road down by the farm, the Forage Aid wagon isn't going to be able to get in today, so we've come up to the main road and Doug's waiting to unload him in the pub car park.
Owner-driver Paul Winder has brought the load for Doug.
How many have you got on here, Doug?
There is 22 bales on there for Doug.
Good. And have you done many loads of Forage Aid?
This is the first time for the Swaledale flooding.
Yeah.
But we did a lot for the Storm Desmond flooding in Cumbria 3 years ago.
Yeah, right, good.
Another owner-driver, Andrew Woodhouse from Kendal in Cumbria, has picked up some hay in County Durham and brought it to another farm just down the road in Fremington.
And have you done many Forage Aid deliveries?
Just this one today.
Yeah.
We're expecting to do quite a few on before the winter's out.
Yeah. And what are you hauling?
Predominantly I move my machinery and I'm also a straw merchant. So the hill farmers are basically, you know, bread and butter of my business. So when I get a chance to give a little bit back, I like to.
Yeah. So we've got Ronnie Bailey now from Fremington Mill Farm, who's having another delivery just down the road from Doug's. And you've been really impressed with the support from Forage Aid?
Very impressed, very overwhelming, all the support everybody's getting.
Yeah,
Absolutely
is this the
fantastic.
first load you've had from Forage Aid, or have you had others?
This is the first load.
Yeah. And what have they brought you today?
Sorry?
What have they brought you today?
Hay.
Yeah. How many bales?
Yeah, 50 bales of hay.
Yeah, well, that's good luck then.
It's wrapped.